Hello, dear viewers. Learn about the groundbreaking discoveries and the achievements of chemistry Nobel laureates in last few years in this informative video. From innovative research to revolutionary breakthroughs, dive into the world of chemistry and explore the stories behind these prestigious eclairs. Stay tuned to gain insight into the remarkable individuals shaping the future of the science through their exceptional contributions. Who are the recipients of Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2023? These are the following options: Mongi Bovendi, Louis Bruce, Alexei Yekimov, and all of the above. Mongi Bawendi, Louis Bruce, and Alexei Yekimov are the recipients of Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2023 for their research work, the discovery and the synthesis of quantum dots. Mongi Bawendi, he was born on 1961 in the Paris, France. At the time of award, he was affiliated to Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Cambridge, MA, USA. Louis Bruce, he was born on 1943, Cleveland, OH, USA. At the time of award, he was affiliated to Columbia University, New York, NY, USA. Alexei Yekimov was born on 1945. At the time of award, he was affiliated to Nanocrystals Technology Institute, New York, NY, USA, of quantum dots. Let me explain the research work which is based on when the grains of matter become very small, when they shrink to nano dimensions, quantum phenomena arises. Such particles are called as quantum dots. In 1981, Alexei Yekimov succeeded in creating size-dependent quantum effects in colored glass. The color came from nanoparticles of copper chloride, and Yekimov demonstrated that the particle size that affected the color of glass via quantum effects. Later on in 1983, Louis Bruce proved that size-dependent quantum effects were present in the particles which are floating freely in the fluid. Smaller particles absorbed light that shifted towards blue as compared to the larger particles. Additionally, in 1993, Mongi Bawendi managed to produce almost perfect quantum dots of specified sizes and with smooth surfaces, which was necessary for them to be used in the applications. Quantum dots, they are used in electronics, including computer and television screens, as well as LED lamps. They can also use to map biological tissues. Dear friends, these are just few of the incredible scientists who have been honored with the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Their work serves as a reminder of the importance of scientific research and the impact it can have on our society. So thank you for watching our video on Chemistry Nobel Prize winners. If you like this information, press like button. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest breakthroughs in the science and technology, and share this video with your nears and dears.